Hi South Africa, I hope you are well. Did you see this new thing from Capitec and FNB where they say that from the 1st of July, ATM withdrawals is going to be 80 Rand? Now, I didn't read the full article, so I didn't read if it's per withdrawal, is it per, let's say, 1,000 Rand withdrawal, on what the amount is, but that is just absolutely absurd. The 80 Rand withdrawal fee if you withdraw from an ATM. I get what they're trying to do. They're trying to push people to use digital banking and to swipe and these things. But a lot of the reality for most South Africans is a lot of times you can't go in a shop and swipe for 20 or 30 Rand. They just absolutely refuse. So you have to have cash with you if you go to the smaller shops and even the spaza shops and even, some of the bigger chain stores, sometimes they just refuse that you swipe for a low amount because they say there's banking fees. Now, what must you do? You can't go to your bank, to FNB and Capitec and withdraw because they're going to charge you 80 Rand cash. You can't swipe for a small amount because they're going to charge you. I think it's absolutely ridiculous. I know the banks are really just there to make money, but this is really sad that at the end of the day, it's not that you're just increasing by 10 Rand or 1% or whatever the amount may be. There's a flat out 80 Rand fee per ATM withdrawal is absolutely ridiculous. It's going to hurt so many South Africans. But that's my opinion. I might not know it all. I might not understand the intricacies about politics and finances. But speak to me, South Africa. Tell me, what do you think? How would it affect you from the 1st of July? Every time you have to withdraw from a bank at an ATM, you're going to pay 80 Rand. I'd love to hear what you think. Thank you.